The first step to the perfect installation of pavers is excavation of 8 to 9 inches of the existing soil, then compaction of the area. Next, we install 4 to 6 inches of high-quality Class 2 road base and compact the area, both up and down, left and right. After compaction, 1 to 2 inches of clean bedding sand is installed with a slight slop to allow drainage. The pavers are then set and compacted to the perfect level. The borders in all sides are set in concrete to interlock pavers and secure stability. For extra special care, polymeric sand, not regular sand, is installed in between the pavers to stabilize the sand below and protect from weed growth and insects. The area is completely cleaned and ready for immediate use. Finally, a protected sealer is applied. This protects the pavers from weather damages and really brings out the color and the finish of the pavers. With the Eminent construction interlocking paving system, the area can handle up to 8,000 psi. Other companies cut corners, and over time the pavers can start to sag or sink under the weight. With Eminent construction, a single isolated section of the layout can easily be removed and replaced with the same design. Upgrade your lifestyle at a price you can afford. Call us today for a free no-obligation consultation and turn your landscape dreams into reality.